There's been another legal and financial blow for former President Jacob Zuma after the Constitutional Court struck off the roll with costs his attempt to appeal the estimated 10 million rand cost order against him. It was with regard to his challenge of the state capture inquiry's constitutionality. Maseko Rekhlaga reports.
Thursday's hearing did not last more than 5 minutes. Former President Jacob Zuma's lawyer missed the deadline for filing the heads of argument and the appeal record for the case. And therefore, one after the other, lawyers representing the EFF, DA and the Council for the Advancement of the South African Constitution asked the court to strike the matter off the roll with costs.
We collectively take the attitude that this application as it stands before the court today is fatally defective and that it should be struck from the roll with costs.
Our position is that the manner in which this application has been brought before this court is defective, and we're not in a position we've not been placed in a position to make oral or written submission.
The matter, there's no record, no written argument is being filed.
One political analyst says the former president will have to respect the decision by the highest court in the land.
The former president has to think long and hard about his so-called Stalingrad defense. That defense is an easy one to try and use to not have your day in court when you or me are the ones picking up the bill as the taxpayers. But when it hits him personally in his own back pocket, then he's going to have to be far more honest about whether or not he needs to appear in court and have his day.
Last October, Zuma's application for leave to appeal the ruling of the High Court in Pretoria that he be held personally liable for the cost of his failed attempt to review the then Public Protector Thuli Madonsela's State of Capture report was dismissed by the Supreme Court of Appeal. Madonsela's decision required him to appoint a commission that would look into allegations of corruption involving him and other senior government officials. The same commission the former president refuses to continue his testimony at, accusing Deputy Chief Justice Raymond Zondo of bias. Maseko Rekhlaga, Johannesburg.